Fire sparks, floating embers, a cinematic atmosphere that makes every scene feel epic. Here's how to create it yourself in After Effects from scratch, no plugins, no stock footage. Create a new composition main 1920 by 1080 40 seconds. Then press Ctrl plus Y to create a new solid. Set the color to white and name it Particles. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Particle World. Apply it to the particles layer. Hit play, and you can already see the particles in action. Now let's customize them. Go to the Effect Controls panel and expand particles. Change particle type to shaded sphere. Then set the birth color to a bright orange. Pick that same color and use it as a starting point for the death color. Then darken it down. Now set birth size to 0.05 and death size to 0.000. Now open physics. Change the animation to direction axis. Set velocity to 0.15 and gravity to minus 0.05. Now the particles float upward naturally. Now open producer. Set radius X to 0.54, radius Y to 0.2, and radius Z to 0.950. This spreads the particles across the scene. Set the birth rate to 1 and longevity to 7.00. This controls how many particles appear and how long they stay visible. Now move the producer position to the bottom left corner of the composition. You can drag it directly in the composition window or adjust the values manually in the Effect Controls panel. This makes the particles flow in from the left side of the screen, giving that natural cinematic drift across the frame. Open physics again. Set resistance to 0.8 and extra to minus 4.0. Now click toggle switches and modes and activate motion blur on the particles layer. Make sure the motion blur is also enabled in the composition settings. If this helped, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is for. After Effects made simple. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for glow. Apply it to the particles layer. Duplicate the glow effect with Ctrl plus D. This gives the particles a brighter and crispier glow. In the second glow effect, set the glow threshold to 12%. In the first one, set it to 40%. Now press Ctrl plus Y to create another solid layer. Place this new solid layer below the particles layer in the timeline. Select the particles layer and change its blend mode to screen. Select the solid layer and go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for Gradient Ramp and apply it. In the Gradient Ramp, change the end color to a dark reddish brown. Hit play, and that's your cinematic fire particle effect. Feel free to tweak all the values to get the exact look you want. Next, how to make a scribble text effect in After Effects, no plugins needed.